When it comes to truly maximizing your points and miles, it's very important that you're able to diversify your wallet. One card that might not immediately come to mind is the Bank of America Premium Rewards card. And while it's not technically a premium card based on its $95 annual fee, it can still be extremely rewarding if you know how to maximize its benefits. So how can you make the most of this card? When it comes to looking at a credit card, there are two main categories that you want to look at. You want to look at the earning side of things and then at the redeeming side of things. On the earning side of things for the Bank of America Premium Rewards card, you'll earn 2 times points on all travel and dining purchases, and then you'll earn another 1.5 times points on all other purchases. And then on the redeeming side of things, you'll be able to redeem those points that you've earned at a fixed 1 cent per point value. And while that may not sound so lucrative on the surface, as soon as you dive deeper, you'll be able to see that there can be some great value to be had from this card. Most fixed value cards only allow you to redeem your points for travel purchases, and that's not the case for the Bank of America Premium Rewards card. In addition to travel, the card allows you to redeem your points at a fixed 1 cent per point value for a variety of purchases, ranging from cash back to gift cards and much more. It's really stress-free. The card comes with several perks that are simply unheard of for a card with just a $95 annual fee. Perks include a $100 airline fee credit, which you'll get every year and can be used toward checked baggage or seat selection. In addition, every 4 years, you'll get a $100 fee credit to use toward global entry and TSA PreCheck. This card gets even more lucrative if you're part of Bank of America's Preferred Rewards program. If you have existing account balances open with Bank of America, you could potentially take advantage of even better earning rates with the card. For example, instead of earning 2 times points on travel and dining purchases, you could be earning 3.5 times points on those same exact purchases. Plus, instead of earning just 1.5 times points on all other purchases, you could be earning 2.625 points on those same purchases. So if you're looking for value, be sure to check out the Bank of America Premium Rewards card. Click on the link below for more information.